Okay, as always, here is our ingredients list. We're starting with fresh tomatillos. These are not green, unripened tomatoes. It's a special type of tomato. You've seen them in your grocery store. They are covered with this little skin here. So you want to get fresh tomatillos. We're going to use two types of peppers. We're going to use jalapeno and we're going to use serrano. We're going to use some fresh cilantro. We're going to use about 2 cloves of garlic, about 1/4 of an onion, and some sea salt. That's all we need for today's recipe for green tomatillo sauce. Okay, this is very simple. You'll want to bring a pot of water to a boil, and you want to have peeled and washed your tomatillos, and you simply just start dropping them in the water. Let them boil, as well as your jalapeno, your serrano, and your onion. And just let all that boil. Now it's come back to a boil, and you want to just sort of move things around a bit. You can see that the tomatillos, as they cook, start to lighten up a little bit and they get soft. But they're not quite ready yet. Let's give it a few more minutes. Okay, so it's been another 2 or 3 minutes, and as you can see, they're starting to change color. They start to take on sort of a reddish, brownish little tint to them. This one here is starting to split open, so you gotta watch that. I think that one is almost ready to come out. Give these another minute or two, and we'll start pulling things out. Okay, so it's been another couple of minutes, and this one that split and its little friend here is also starting to split. We're going to take these out. We're going to put them directly into our food processor. We're going to start looking at these others. And essentially what you want is that these things have turned color like this. They're not so bright green. I don't know if you can see, but if they have sort of a reddish little tint to them. So that one's ready to go. So is that little piece of onion. We're going to take all of these tomatillos out when they're ready, as they become ready, and put them directly into our food processor. Okay, so we're going to put our peppers on a separate plate because we're going to cut those. And we'll see you over at the food processor. Okay, so we have our tomatillos and our onions that we boiled inside the food processor. We're going to put in our 2 cloves of garlic. Now we're going to take the jalapeno that we boiled, and we're going to cut off the top of it, and we're going to put in about that much. And same with the serrano. We're going to put in about that much serrano. We're going to add in our cilantro. I like to use a lot of cilantro in this. And we're going to add some salt. And let's get this going. Let's give this a little taste. Wow. It doesn't need anything. It doesn't need any salt. I think the spiciness is just right. Process it down just a little bit more there, and we are good to go. This can be stored. You can cool it. You can use it for chips and salsa, or you can save it for one of my next recipes. Green enchiladas, flautas. We've got a lot of stuff coming, so stick with us. That's it. And there we have it. A lovely chips with green tomatillo sauce. It's wonderful. You just saw it's so easy to make. You will enjoy it. Bon appetit.